Hello guys, my name is Garry Jackson with Phillips Chevy in Frankfort. Right now I'm standing in front of the 2026 Chevy Equinox RS in all-wheel drive. I'm going to show you how to activate the power tail liftgate and also activate the remote start function. So first things first, if you look at the key fob here, you have the lock and unlock. This is the power tail liftgate button, and then this is the remote start button. To activate the power tail liftgate, you just click this button twice. And as you can see, the power tail liftgate activates. So you can also put it down from using the button as well. Just hit it twice one more time. You'll get some light indicators and it will go down. Another way to activate the power tail liftgate will be right underneath here. There's a button. You simply click that button and it will have it go up. And as you can see, there's one more button here. You can push this button and have it go down again. There's one more button on the inside of the driver's side door here, as you can see. There's that button there. So just a click of that button and you can activate it once again. So as you can see, multiple ways to activate the power tail liftgate. I'll put it down one more time and then I'll jump into the remote start function. The remote start, you actually have to lock the vehicle, so you can lock it using that button there. And then you'll hit this button twice, 1, 2. You'll see some indicators on the tail lights, and your car will be remote started. It will remain running for 15 minutes and then it will cut off for security. And let's just say you decide you don't want to go to the grocery store at that time. You can turn off the remote start manually just by clicking that button one more time, 2 times, and it cuts the car off. For more videos like this, follow Phillips Chevy on all social medias, and we'll see you soon.